Nagkakaraan tayo. Ah!
I'm sorry.
Si Granny. Si Granny. Wala si Granny. Tumatay. Tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo. Ayoko na Granny.
Choice on Lazada. Choice on Lazada. Any three from 99. Choice. At the moment, getting ready to enjoy the celebration of today. What is the celebration today? It is apparently International Beer Day. I've said it once, I've said it twice, and I'll say it again. There's always a holiday for anything that you want. And again, today is supposedly International Beer Day. So,
Gagranny lang
cheers
ako.
to that, fam. The more you buy, the more you save. Now on Lazada.
Hindi ko mapindot. Yan.
Make sure that you have someone with you that will still continue to take care of
Ano
you,
mapindot?
because that is
Bakit
very
ganun?
important, okay? Alright. Anyway, back to our topic that I've been promising you all afternoon long. Let us talk about how to look polished and expensive without breaking the bank. So first and foremost, focus on the fit. As in, yung hulma, you know how it hugs your body, how it just drapes over you without looking so sloppy, I would say. Yeah, that's the word for that. Yeah. So it doesn't necessarily have to be an expensive piece of clothing. It's gotta fit well. It's gotta be tailored for your body. And you can also choose to alter some clothes if you want it to seem a little bit more polished. And
Yeah.
obviously, you're gonna have to
Help me.
find a
Yun na.
tailor shop near you, a tailor near you to really know how to get the measurements right.
Yes.
And if you find a tailor that really works for you, keep them, love them, and support them as well, because it's so hard to find a really good tailor. Next up, choose classic, timeless pieces over trendy ones. Well, it's so nice to have the trendiest clothes and shoes and whatnot. Yeah, you could have them here and there, but generally speaking, if you want to again look polished and expensive, those classic and timeless pieces will always work better instead of the trendy ones. You know, a button-down shirt, a classic white button-down shirt, a simple black dress, neutral styles here and there that will always be better to, make yourself seem a little bit more on the Forbes side of town. Or Forbes side talaga, you know what I mean? And one more thing for today, or at least for this talk set, is to accessorize smartly. Having a nice handbag, a scarf. Again, it does not have to be expensive. You just can be able to elevate your entire outfit by choosing the right ones. High quality, non-branded options are out there.
Oh my gosh.
And definitely
Daddy.